I spent like the last couple days working on some art projects. I got a really cool project that we've been working on, or I cranked out. It's like this painting, but I just figured out how to animate still photos, so slash paintings, in After Effects, which is pretty cool. So I spent a bunch of time on this bad boy. So before we get into this video, I don't even know what video this is gonna be in, but before we get into this video, it's pretty freaking cool, man. New sweatshirts are coming out. I'm really enjoying doing traditional artwork for designs. Like for the past couple years, all I did was digital, and I'm having so much fun with designing and illustrating from scratch. Like no perfection, like just real raw, not even raw, it's like just fun art. And I get so much out of it, so much more out of it by at the end of the day, where it's like the pieces that we're putting on the products are genuinely by hand. So I just figured I wanted to share this with you guys. I have no idea what video this is part of. I've filmed like here and there, but I haven't really worked on anything. I did, got some new scooter wheels, got some parts for this Civic, but it's 1 o'clock in the morning. I just finished this animation. I'm pumped, so check this out. I love you guys, and yeah, I don't know what video this is part of, but rock on, man.
Hold me closer, hold me closer.
You're 6 at 6.
You were born at 6:29 p.m. on 7:40. You're officially 6 years old.
I feel like a butterfly that can fly.
Your father is sorry.
He said he was gonna be here, he promised.
I know, but he promises that he's going to see you tomorrow.
It's okay, we'll patch you up.
I was trying to keep it like not bleeding for like ever. Now I have to go for the same thing again.
Well, you jumped a little too late. You gotta jump earlier.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna go patch you up.
I don't like band-aids.
Do one of these. No, like. No, you gotta do it like this. What do we find? A horse for your birthday? Let's go, come on, let's go meet him.
Happy birthday to you.
Yeah, it's her birthday. She loves horses too.
Oh my God.
I'm 6.
You're 6?
Yeah.
I think so.
Yep. That's so awesome.
You want to pet? Oh, he's really sweet.
You want to pet him? Yeah.
So big.
Oh, that's a big horse.
Here's gigantic, right? Look.
Wow, look.
It's her birthday too.
Wow. That's huge, Lena. Have you ever been this close to a big horse?
Are you in nursing?
Hey, where do we go? On his neck? You can pet him. Wow. That's a big horse, Lena. That's a big horse.
It was just Apollo's 10th birthday.
Really? Wow, that's Apollo. It's 10.
How horse do you get school?
Isn't that cool? That's so cool. Alright, today we're gonna build an obstacle course. It's Lena's birthday. How old are you, Lena?
6.
6 years old.
So that means I'll do some.
You got to,
Oh,
what?
I got to hit a horse. A huge horse. And my dad even has pictures.
Yep.
But he won't print out.
Hey, Lena, we gotta finish the obstacle course.
Okay.
Alright,
Can I help you?
you can practice on your scooter like this, because you gotta make this all without pushing. You gotta go like this, look. Oh, that's gonna be too hard for you.
See?
Alright, well, you have to pivot on the turns, but then you gotta bunny hop over there. Do you remember the rules?
Yeah.
Ready? Hold on. Set. Go. Alright, she enters. She gets a pivot. She comes back, gets a pivot. 3, gets a pivot. Bunny hop. Bars in the box. Bars in the box. Bars in the box. All the way in the box. There you go. Alright. Run up. Come back down. Ready? Hopscotch, hopscotch. Last square is backwards. Backwards! Alright, and you go back. Walk on line. Don't get off the line. Don't get off the line. Don't get off the line. Oh, oh! You have to go back. Don't get off the line. Don't get off the line. Alright, back. Alright. Shoot. Yeah, let's try now. Booyah. Alright, 3 points. It's easy. Add it up, add it up. Alright, minute 43.
Daddy's turn. Get set, go. Oh! 109.
Oh! Jump in the box, hurry up! Oh, 107, Lena, you beat me. You beat me. Alright guys, so for the past couple week or so, I've been trying to get set up for an overhead rig for my camera, so when I illustrate or draw, I can live stream. And I got the majority of the stuff to work, but my current rig, my G7X, is the only camera that will not make the mount sag. So today I'm gonna try to build one out of wood. I think it should work. I just picked up a miter saw. I never had one. I don't have anything to cut wood here, so I'm gonna try to make a overhead rig. It should work in theory, but you know how that goes. While I get tape measure, I'm gonna cut to fancy shots. Alright guys, I finished it. Honestly, the amount of times I almost fail stuff's a little embarrassing. Yeah, our house is a mess. Most of the stuff is a mess right now because it was Lena's birthday, so we have boxes literally everywhere. So, please don't mind my messy area, but it is. I'm gonna call her, come on baby. That's the Top Rig 2.0, integrated with the latest technology. It holds my weight, so it should hold my camera, I would assume. So, success. I'm gonna go test it out though. Scary. Guys, so I basically just put this together with wood I had laying around. We have 1x3s and then 1 by, I keep forgetting the numbers, 2.5. It's basically as simple as 2 feet, 2 legs, and a crossbar. I got hardware from Home Depot, which is 1.5 by 20, or 1.5 20 standard bolt. I used washers, the socket, and more washers. I always forget how bad I am at explaining things. And first, the legs I made 23 inches, and then total it's about 25. And then across I did 33. So, and it works perfect for me, perfect for my desk setup, but you can make it as tall as you want. I just pretty much finished editing. Now I have to work on another video and get some work done. So I love you guys. So we did get parts. Did I say? Yeah, we did get parts for the SI and some new scooter stuff. So I'll put that in the next one. So, or I'll most likely put, probably work on the SI next video. So thanks for supporting. Make sure you like the video.
Love you guys. How much, boys?
Like your mind is about to be blown.